So number 16 on the review sheet is asking a 500 watt appliance is on for 90 minutes. How much energy is consumed in joules? So the first thing you have to do is think about what is the question asking for, and it's asking for energy. So we need the formula for energy, and you'll have the formulas on the test, and one of them is this one, E equals P times T. And so that's the formula we will use. Energy equals power times time, and the power is 500 watts, and that is multiplied by the time, which is 90 minutes, but we need to have time in seconds, so not in minutes. Now 90 minutes is the same as well, there's 60 seconds in each of those minutes, so we can convert minutes to seconds by multiplying it by by that ratio. So if minutes is on the top up here, then we want to put it on the bottom here so that they'll cancel out. So we can do that. So we'll put minutes here and seconds here. And then you have to ask yourself, which one's bigger? Is minutes bigger or seconds bigger? And minutes is bigger, so you always put a 1 in front of the bigger one. So we're going to put a 1 in front of minutes, and there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Now, the reason we set it up like this is because whenever you have something on the top and on the bottom, like this, they cancel out. And so we're left with 500 watts times 90 times 60 seconds divided by 1. Okay, so to solve it, you just multiply everything on the top, 500 times 90 times 60, and then divide by whatever's on the bottom, divided by 1. So 500 times 90 times 60 divided by 1 is 27,000,000, which is 2,700,000, and energy is measured in joules. So that's number 16. And number 18, similar one. So it says how much electric energy would be used. So it's asking for energy again by a 120 volt light bulb with 0.5 amps of current running through it for 5 minutes. So the question's asking for energy. So again, we need the formula for energy, which is this one. So energy equals power times time. And so we need to put power in, but the question doesn't tell us how many watts. So we don't know the power. So we have to find power. So we need another formula for power. And there is another one. And again, you'll get this on the test too. And it's power equals voltage times current. So we can use that because we have the voltage and the current. It's 120 volts. And that is multiplied by 0.5 amps. And so we can multiply those, and that is going to be 60 watts. So now that we have that, we can put that into this formula, 60 watts times 5 minutes. And now the same thing, we need to put minutes into seconds. So because minutes are on the top here, we're going to put them on the bottom here, and seconds here. Now minutes are bigger, so we put a 1 in front of minutes, and there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And now since we have minutes on top and bottom, they cancel out. And so this will be 60 times 5 times 60 divided by 1, and that'll give us our answer. So 60 times 5 is going to be 300. 300 times 60 would be 18 1800 joules. And when I say 1800 joules, I mean 18,000 joules. Haha. 18,000 joules. So that's how you solve that one.